If your child struggles to focus, it isn't laziness, it's a skill. Like a muscle, it grows with practice. Today, I'll show you a calm, science-based way to train it. No shame, no stress, just small habits that actually work. Welcome to Childhooder, the place where parenting finally makes sense. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually builds focus in the brain, what quietly drains it in our modern world, and a simple 20-minute routine you can start tonight. Meet Liam. He's 7. He loves dinosaurs. He starts a 48-piece puzzle. 30 seconds in, he's up, snack, different game. His mom feels that familiar frustration. She's tried reminders, rewards, even raised her voice. Nothing sticks. So she changes one thing. Before the puzzle, she turns off notifications. Phone away. She sets a tiny timer. 5 minutes, that's all. Let's just sit together, she says. They start, quietly. When Liam fidgets, Mom breathes. She points to the edges. Let's find the corners. The timer dings. Want 2 more minutes? She asks. Liam nods. Week by week, 5 minutes becomes 10, 10 becomes 15. And here's the best part. It wasn't willpower, it was training. Focus lives mostly in the prefrontal cortex, the brain's steering wheel. It helps kids hold a goal in mind, ignore distractions, and finish a task. These skills are called executive functions. Kids aren't born with strong steering wheels. They build them through gentle, repeated practice. 3 ingredients matter most: working memory, holding the next step in mind; inhibitory control, resisting the ping of something more fun; cognitive flexibility, shifting when something gets tricky. Neurons that fire together wire together. Short, focused reps create stronger pathways, like lifting light weights with good form over time. Dopamine also plays a role. Novelty and small wins give the brain a tiny yes. That keeps kids engaged long enough to strengthen the circuit. Here's the hard truth. Our world is designed to hijack attention. Fast cuts, endless scroll, notifications. For a child's developing brain, that's like dessert before dinner. It doesn't mean 0 screens. It means protecting training time. 1 short window each day where the brain can practice deep, gentle focus. This is your focus like a muscle plan. Keep it simple, keep it kind. Do it daily. Step 1, 2 minutes of calm entry. Turn phones to do not disturb. Dim harsh lights. Sit together. 1 slow breath in. 1 slow breath out. Say, we'll focus for a few minutes. I'm with you. Step 2, 10 minutes of single task practice. Choose 1 quiet activity. Puzzles, drawing, building, reading, sorting cards. Set a tiny timer. Start with 5 minutes. Sit nearby, coach with whispers, not lectures. Prompts like, what's your next step? Let's finish this corner. If they wobble, that's okay. Reset. Take 1 small step. Step 3, 3 minutes of movement. Stand, stretch, cross crawls, shake the sillies, water sip. Movement resets the nervous system and keeps focus from becoming a battle. Step 4, 5-minute mastery stretch. Optional. If your child is in the zone, add 2 to 5 more minutes. End with a tiny win. We placed 10 pieces. You finished a page. Label the effort. You stuck with it. That trains your brain. Weekly progression. Week 1, 5 to 7 minutes of practice per day. Week 2, 8 to 10. Week 3, 12 to 15. Week 4, 15 to 20. Make it sticky. Same time each day if possible. Same place, low clutter, warm light. 1 gentle rule. Finish the current small step before switching. When things go sideways, meltdown, pause the task. Co-regulate first. Slow breath. Name the feeling. Then return with a smaller goal. Let's place 3 pieces together. You're not behind. Your child isn't broken. Their brain is learning a life skill. Your calm presence is the training ground. Remember Liam and the puzzle? Progress looks small at first, but small steps are how the brain grows. And you can do this. If this helped, subscribe. Each week, we share simple, science-based tools to build better brains and better bonds. Grab your free Focus Starter Guide at childhooder.com. It includes the exact 20-minute routine, printable trackers, and kid-friendly activity ideas for every age. You've got this, with science, not stress.